Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use templates on Instagram Reels. So select the Reels button over here, and you're going to find a video that has a use template button. As you can see, this one has a use template button. You can click on it, or you can click the three dots and select use as template. As you can see, this needs around 8 clips. I'm just going to select add media and select some like photos or videos. I'm just going to select videos of Taylor Swift. And once you're done, you're just going to select next, and it's going to generate the reel for you. As you can see, once you're done, you're just going to press next, and now you have like this reel, and you can just post it on your Instagram. And that is basically how you can use template on Instagram Reels. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!